Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. Guys, please unbox with me. New pots just dropped and I'm officially a serious chef now. Please don't argue with me. Guys, it's finally here, my brand new set of pots, and trust me, I've been waiting for this like it's Christmas morning. Let's open up this and see what the kitchen gods have blessed us with today. So today, as you can see, the pots are looking good and beautiful. Thank you, Preshy Collectibles, my personal shopper from Lagos Island. I'm going to be dropping her contact here soon. Yes, as you can see, the pot, it comes in 5 sets. Okay, I actually like this pot because it's not really heavy like the one I got. Yes, this is good. It's light and it's giving me what I want. So if you want to have this kind of set of pots, just follow me and I will link you up with Precious. Thank you for watching.